Hi, this is Sandra from GREYD. In this video, I'd like to show you which general settings you can make for forms on your website. You will find the general form settings on the left in the Forms menu under Settings. As you can see, the first settings are about data protection. Here you can enter a default privacy text to which you can refer in every form with the checkbox block. Therefore, just activate this checkbox here. This is a very handy feature, especially if you have several forms on your website that should all have the same privacy note. Of course, you can also work with different formatting options and also set links, for example, to your privacy page. Input length is a security feature preventing users to insert unreasonably long form entries. If you'd like to change the maximum number of characters, you can do that here. GREYD.Forms has a native spam honeypot protection. If you'd like to use Google reCAPTCHA to protect your forms against bots, just enter your CAPTCHA keys here. You can even adapt the minimum value that rates a form entry as safe. GREYD.Forms also comes with a native SMTP integration. With that, you can configure an SMTP server and send your form emails, for example, the double opt-in verification email, via a verified email address. This prevents your mails from being sent to the spam folder. If you click here, you will be directed to the general GREYD.SUITE settings, where you can enter the SMTP host and port of your email provider and your login details for the authentication. You can also decide whether to encrypt your emails and how. Let's get back to the form settings. GREYD.Forms offers interfaces to various CRMs and newsletter tools and also lets you create additional interfaces via Zapier or webhooks. Here in the settings, you can activate interfaces for your installation and enter the required data. If you want to learn more about connecting forms with external tools, we have a dedicated tutorial video on that waiting for you in our Help Center. Please do not forget to save your settings when you're done. For more videos and information, please visit our Help Center.